All right, this is our high frequency word lesson number 34. Let's read our first sentence. He will tie his shoe. Our first word is tie. Let's read our next sentence. Ready? They baked an apple pie. And if you think that our second word is pie, you got it right. Sometimes, remember, they give us words that are in a pattern. Let's read our next sentence. Ready? Lie down until you feel better. Our third word is lie, and you might have guessed that one too because it is in the word pattern with tie, pie, and lie. We have 4 words today, so let's go ahead and read our last sentence. The puppies are very young. Our last high frequency word is young, and that means you're not very old. All right, let's go and do our review. We are going to say it, spell it, say it. Ready? Tie. T-I-E, tie. Pie. P-I-E, pie. Lie. L-I-E, lie. Young. Y-O-U-N-G, young. Whose. W-H-O-S-E, whose. Floor. F-L-O-O-R, floor. Hole. W-H-O-L-E, hole. Picture. P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture. Guess. G-U-E-S-S, guess. Half. H-A-L-F, half. I. E-Y-E-I. Money. M-O-N-E-Y, money. Buy. B-U-Y, buy. Door. D-O-O-R, door. Built. B-U-I-L-T, built. Hour. H-O-U-R, hour. Build. B-U-I-L-D, build. Toe. T-O-E, toe. Key. K-E-Y, key. Pie. P-I-E, pie. Lie. L-I-E, lie. Tie. T-I-E, tie. Month. M-O-N-T-H, month. 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Young. Y-O-U-N-G, young. Peace. P-I-E-C-E, peace. Shoe. S-H-O-E, shoe. Busy. B-U-S-Y, busy. Excellent job. Now we're going to go ahead and write our high frequency words. Number 1. Number 1 is bread. Brr. BR says brr. And then remember, EA says eh. D. Bread. And that's what you eat in a sandwich. Number 2. 4. This is the number 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Number 3. Let me erase that. Let's try again and write number 3. Number 3 is does. Does is spelled D-O-E-S. And number 4, head. H-E-A-D. Head. So head and bread rhyme, and they're spelled almost the same except for the beginning sounds. Excellent job on your high frequency words today.